Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all the basketball enthusiasts all across the Bicol region. I'm Rick Puerta, and together with me is Jasper Abante, at kami po ang makakasama nyo all throughout this final matchup. It's between the MPCF Blue Dolphins versus the USA Falcons.
Alright, this is my first time makakasama ko si Rick Puerta dito sa laban ng USI Falcons and ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Live na live tayo ngayon dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa Battle of the Undefeateds dito sa ating Seniors Division. Ayan na. At titingnan natin kung ano yung mga performances o mga pasabog na plays na ibibigay sa atin nitong dalawang teams na ito dito ngayong gabi.
So this game or this match is very important to the both teams right now because again, panalo nga sila on that previous matches kung sino man ang nakalaban nila, and this time malalaman natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng unang talo dito sa Bukal Season 6.
And syempre kailangan nating abangan kung sino yung makakakuha ng pangalawang panalo dito sa kanilang laban. Ayan, undefeated ang dalawang teams na ito, and sino ang mag-uuwi ng panalo. Ayan ang ating katanungan at maya-maya lamang ay masasagot natin yan all throughout this game.
Kaya sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow, like, subscribe sa ating mga Facebook pages, we have the Bukal, 1Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports. Ano pa po ang hinihintay nyo? Mag-like and subscribe na para updated tayo sa mga battle or matchup dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
Alright, Rick. At maya-maya lamang ay magsisimula na tayo dito sa laban ng USI Falcons and ng ating Mariners Dolphin. Ayan na, uulitin natin, walang talo ang dalawang teams na ito. And syempre, may papatunayan sila dito sa game na ito dahil yun na nga, titingnan natin kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng pangalawang panalo ngayong gabi.
So all of the teams right now improved a lot compare on that last season of Bukal. So titignan natin kung sino ang mangingibabaw dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And to hear the side of the USI Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Matapos nga ang kanilang matagumpay na laban against STI Olympians, ngayon naman ay handa na nilang iuwi ang kanilang pangalawang panalo kontra Mariners Blue Dolphins. Good afternoon, Bicolandia. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter, para magatid ng latest update dito sa side ng USI Falcons. Nais ngayon ng Falcons na paigtingin ang kanilang opensa at magbigay ng nakakasakal na depensa para makuha ang panalo. According to their team captain, focus sila ngayon sa team play para maka-execute ng maayos at para mabigyan ng magandang laro ang mga sumusuporta. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Bukal Season 6, 1Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update on the side of the USI Falcons. Ayan, at talaga kailangan nating abangan dito yung kanilang pinaghanda, yung kanilang inihandang pansakal na depensa dito, Rick. And yun, syempre yung kanilang opensa dito and yung kung paano sila magfo-focus sa kanilang team play para maiuwi yung pangalawang panalo. Now, para naman makarinig tayo ng update sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins, nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. IC, anong update natin dyan?
Hola, Rick and Jasper. Good afternoon, lovely Bicolanos, and to all of our viewers via Bukal Facebook page and 1Media TV 48 and Naga. Welcome to the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium for the most anticipated and most prestigious basketball league here in Bicol. Once again, this is your very cutesy courtside reporter, IC Cortez, all the way from the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. After winning their first match up against the Spartans, the Blue Dolphins are back to dominate once again this game against the USI Falcons. Kanina nga I had a chance to talk to their team captain, Benny Malaluan, and he said that nanalo sila last game and they feel so overwhelmed, but at the same time, hindi sila nagpakampante at mas lalo pa silang sinipagan. They prepare their mindset as well as their team chemistry. That's it, aside ng MPCF Blue Stallions. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Ayan, thank you so much, IC, for that update. So MPCF Blue Dolphins, tuwang-tuwa on that previous win kontra Biscaso. Titignan natin dito kung ma-maintain ba nila ang composure inside the hardcourt. So nagsisimula na nga ang bakbakan between these two teams at unang puntos ay mapupunta sa ating USI Falcons.
Now, maagang ganti dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins courtesy of jersey number 11 Razon on the 2-point shot. Now, ball possession of the Falcons.
Now Asibor looking for his teammate and tries for that, no good. Ball possession ngayon ng Blue Dolphins.
Now, jersey number 4.
Blue Dolphins on the offense right now. 10 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. Fires for that 3, no good.
No good on that 3 points attempt by Corporal of the Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 10, no good on that attempt. Napakaganda sanang action doon. Pero may follow-up, may habol dito si jersey number 10
Yes.
of the Falcons.
Del Rosario. Ang lahat ng score na ito ng USA Falcons is courtesy dito kay Del Rosario. Now Posada on that steal. Now Doloso. Tatawid ang bola. Passing the ball to Posada and a whistle coming from our referee.
Jersey number 11 on that pushing foul. And Posada on the free throw line for 2 free throws. Now for his first attempt. That's good. Ayan. 7 minutes and 57 seconds remaining sa ating game clock.
Again Posada. Let's see on his second attempt kung makakakuha pa ng puntos and basket para dito sa kanya. 2 straight points for him. Now Blue Dolphins. Chance here para dagdagan ang score ng kanilang kupunan. But Doloso with a great steal. Now Doloso to Asibor and Posada. But
No good on that attempt. Well, nag-alinlangan doon si jersey number 3 na i-shoot yung bola and pinasa niya ito kay Posada. Kaya naman na nagkaroon dito ng whistle dahil sa shooting foul doon ng ating Blue Dolphins and 2 free throws for Posada.
no good para sa unang attempt. Now, MPCF Blue Dolphins committing 2 early fouls para dito sa ating laro. That's why the USA Falcons, they are taking advantage of that errors. Now, chance for the Blue Dolphins to score. Out of bounds ball, turnover para dito sa Blue Dolphins.
Well, as we can see here, Rick, back-to-back points yung hatid ni Posada sa USI Falcons for that free throws. That's good for him. Now, Posada na naman ang nagdadala ng bola on that jump. Napakagandang aksyon. That's good for 2 points.
No, Posada, talagang ginagawa ang lahat para magkapuntos ang Falcons. Now, MPCF Blue Dolphins needs this one at makakakuha nga ng puntos on that last sequence.
Napakagandang ganti eh. Napakaagang bawi ng ating Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 3 goes to the inside with that jump and no good. Defensive rebound of the Blue Dolphins. Now, Merenciano, no good on that attempt. And the offensive rebound, second chance for them, no good.
Del Rosario on that rebound. Asibor. Mapapaganda pa nga ang layup na yon. Coming from that assist of Posada. Again, Posada. Great steal again for him. Matunog ang pangalan dito at malikot si Posada on our first quarter. Now, MPCF Blue Dolphins.
Razon holding the ball now. Jersey number 4, Corporal. On the outside now. Jersey number 17 tries to go inside with 7 seconds to shoot. And a traveling violation dito ang tinawag kay jersey number 17. Well, traveling is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan, live your dreams, create memories.
Medyo nahihirapan ngayong gumalaw dito ang MPCF Blue Dolphins. That's why USA Falcons magkakaroon ulit ng puntos courtesy of Doloso rather on that last play. 13-4 on our scoreboard.
Magandang simula for the USA Falcons now. Back-to-back steal for them. Jersey number 3 now on that outside. 3-point attempt, no good. Now, defensive rebound by Razon of the Blue Dolphins. Magandang simula ito para sa USA Falcons with them leading 9 points dito sa ating first quarter. And maagang bawi din ng ating Blue Dolphins courtesy of jersey number 30.
Now, Asibor, mabibitawan dito ang bola. Panis with that steal.
Now,
Merenciano.
chance for the Blue Dolphins here. Now, Corporal on that corner. 3-point, no good. And defensive rebound by Cuadro.
Doloso. Passing the ball to Asibor and tries for that three, no good.
Now, jersey number 30. Malaluan, their captain ball. Now, jersey number 11 with that shooting foul and the 2 free throws dito. Ang igagawad kay jersey number 11, Razon of the Blue Dolphins. Well, nahihirapan sila ditong pumasok dahil nakikita naman natin na mahigpit yung depensa nitong USI Falcons pagdating dito sa kanilang front court. And nakikita rin natin na talagang maganda rin yung kanilang offense, yung kanilang offense dito. They are using their speed and agility kontra dito sa ating Blue Dolphins.
Let's see kung makakapag-adjust ba dito ang Blue Dolphins para makat dito ang lead na hawak ng USI Falcons. 5 minutes remaining on our time.
Now, jersey number 18, Baita. On that corner shot, jersey number 18, no good. And an defensive rebound rather by the Blue Dolphins. Now, Razon goes to the inside. Hindi nag-alinlangan na isinot ang bola. 2 points for that. Now, USI Falcons, jersey number 18 again on the outside. Now, jersey number 5. Looking for a good opportunity here.
10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Falcons. No good. So a couple of substitution on the side of Falcons. But a foul was committed on the side of Falcons. Now, Blue Dolphins to inbound.
Battle of undefeated ang ating laban ngayon. Well, let's see kung as we can see here sa ating venue, hindi pa masyadong nagiinit yung ating mga koponan dito. Pero ngayon, deadlock na tayo sa 13, Rick, on that 3 points by jersey number 11 of the Blue Dolphins. Now, a steal again. And a steal of the USI Falcons. Parehas jersey number 11. And that's good for that 2 points layup by jersey number 11 of the Falcons.
Now, as we can observe right now, Blue Dolphins having a mini run right now. Razon passing the ball to his teammate, jersey number 4 and jersey number 18 makakakuha ulit ng puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. Another deadlock of the match.
Tikit na yung laban natin dito sa ating 3-minute mark. Now, ball possession of the USA Falcons and a steal here by jersey number 4, Razon of the Blue Dolphins. Now, Corporal rather, jersey number 4. Now, pushes inside with that screen by Malaluan. Now, out of bounds as the same ball possession for the Blue Dolphins.
So a tight first quarter for these both teams. Parehas nagpapakita ng magandang opensa at depensa. But Blue Dolphins, 24 shot clock violation was called on their team. Now ball possession ngayon ng USI Falcons. Lock to inbound. Now Baita, kanino ibibigay? Jersey number 11.
Now, jersey number 8 drives to the inside and that's good for the 2 points by jersey number 8 of the Falcons.
Yan, Burse on that beautiful point conversion. Now, ball possession ngayon ng ating Blue Dolphins. Corporal finding his teammate. 8 seconds to shoot para dito kay Malaluan on the Blue Dolphins side. But a great rebound para dito kay Locke on the side of Falcons.
Now, mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 9 and a steal here by the Blue Dolphins. Now, nagmamadali. Long pass, no good. And a steal here by the Falcons. Now, nagmamadali rin. Jersey number 9 on that follow-up shot with a whistle here. And a shooting foul Ayan, 2 free throws for jersey number 9 of the USI Falcons, Baita. Ayan, Rick, mag-shoutout tayo dito sa ating live viewers. As we can see here, kukonti yung audience or yung crowd natin dito. Pero I'm sure na nanonood sila dito sa ating Facebook live coverage niya. Nandyan si Rachel Abante, Zandra Razon, Angel Magante, Yu Abante, Jelay Antones, and RJ. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at pagsubaybay dito sa ating Facebook live coverage. Well, patuloy po kaming maghahatid ng top tier basketball action dito sa ating liga.
Now back to the ball game tayo ngayon, Jasper. Ball possession ng MPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, chance for them to score at para maitay ang matchup, but great steal coming from the Falcons. Burse nagmamadali dito. Looking for his teammate. Baita fires for that 3. In and out ball. Offensive rebound on the side of Falcons. Basket count at samahan pa yun ng foul dito para sa larong ito. Now jersey number 5 stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity para dito sa kanilang koponan.
Back-to-back free throws dito of the USI Falcons. Well, magandang opportunity to para sa kanila na mapalaki yung lamang dito ng kanilang team and to keep the momentum on their side. Now, let's see if what will the Blue Dolphins, what are their actions for the 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining of this ball game. And the foul here. Basket count with a bonus shot with that blocking foul.
Merenciano. Magkakaroon dito ng free throw opportunity. 2018 on our scoreboard. And a basket for him.
That's good for that 3 points play opportunity for the Blue Dolphins. Now, 1 point lead na lamang ang hawak ngayon dito ng USA Falcons. Now, let's see here. Jersey number 11 fires for the 3 and no good on that. Offensive rebound by jersey number 9. Now, well guarded. And out of bounds as the USA Falcons will take the ball possession.
So again, close fight pa rin tayo dito sa natitirang 1 minute and 6 seconds para sa ating unang quarter ng laro. Pero what a great 3-point shots coming from Burse on the side of Falcons.
Magandang momentum for the USA Falcons dito sa ating last 50 seconds ng ating first quarter. Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins here with a whistle and a foul here by jersey number 9.
So Baita, matatawagan dito ng foul para sa USA Falcons.
46 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. 4 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Let's see here. Bagsik to inbound. Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 13 on that corner. 3-point shot and that's good for the USA Falcons. Napakagandang corner shot. Well, hindi siya doon dalawang isip. Pagtigil doon sa corner and agad-agad niyang tinira yung 3-point shot niya doon. Now, Chavez. No good on that attempt. And the steal here by Panis. On that shot, no good.
Nagawa ng bola dito sa loob ng hardcourt, but an offensive rebound on the side of Blue Dolphins.
Now, 10 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Now, Burse nagmamadali. No hesitation in that. And a shooting foul, I think. Let's see here. Let's see if that's a shooting foul. Jersey number 7 on that shooting foul by courtesy of Chavez. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito sa ating USI Falcons. Burse standing on the free throw line. Ayan, at this point, pasalamatan naman natin yung ating mga sponsors We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and of course, Ngo Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. And of course, we also have Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC. And of course, Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa aming liga.
5 seconds remaining para sa unang quarter ng Mercenciano. Dire-diretso para dito sa Blue Dolphins, and why not? Makakakuha pa nga ng magandang panapos on the side of the Blue Dolphins to 28-21 on our scoreboard, and magbabalik po kami para sa ating pangalawang quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating laro. We are on our second quarter of the match, and the lead is on the side of the USI Falcons. So as you can see on our screen, nagpalit dito ng first 5 on the side of the USI Falcons. Let's see kung anong gagawing balasa at bagong game plan dito ni Coach Tope. While on the side of this Blue Dolphins, they are behind dito sa ating laro. So ano kaya ang magiging adjustments nila when it comes to this second quarter?
Ayan, kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Puerta, dito sa ating second quarter. Bakbakan ang undefeated. And 7 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons dito sa ating pagpapatuloy ng second quarter. Now, as we can see here, parang we're waiting for the decision of our officials here. And talagang napakaganda ng mga laro ngayon, Rick, no? Lalo na yung laban ng UNC and of course ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Senior Golden Knights. Yes. Dito sa ating Seniors Division. Napakagandang laro. Akalain mo yun, 101 yung puntos doon ng ating Golden Knights. Well, hindi rin nagpatalo ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Talagang lumaban sila hanggang sa dulo. And patuloy pong maghahatid ang bukal sa inyo ng magagandang laro. Top-tier basketball actions.
Ayan, talagang nagpapakitang gilas dito ang iba't ibang teams because they're battling on that clean record para dito sa ating standing. Kanina nga nanalo ang Ateneo kontra UNC, so it means na 2-0 na dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. On the side of the UNC Greyhounds, 1-1 record para sa kanila dito sa ating laro.
Alright, so pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo Dinaga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Ayan, ang ating pong broadcast ay powered by Converge FiberX. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And of course, ang ating media partners, we have One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Ayan, at napapanood rin tayo via the Bukal Facebook page. Live po tayo ngayon. And for sure, bibigyan tayo ng magandang laro dito ng USI and Mariners since yun na nga, undefeated sila. No losses dito sa ating new season on the Seniors Division.
So yan, Jasper, I would like to clarify things. Yung UNC pala is UNC Seniors, first time nila kaninang maglaro. So it's their first loss dito sa Bukal Season 6. Meanwhile, on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, nakakuha na sila ng 2 panalo dito sa ating liga. So a lot of things happening dito sa Bukal Season 6. So aabangan natin kung sino ang makakapasok sa susunod na...
Well, as far as I can remember, Rick, yung unang panalo ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights ay nakuha nila doon sa kanilang tapatan ng NCF Tigers. And yun na nga, yung pangalawa nilang panalo kanina. Yung... alright, so yun na nga, nakuha ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung panalo nila kanina kontra sa ating UNC Greyhounds. And meron po tayo ngayong revision of score dito sa ating ball game. 29 for the USI Falcons and 20 points for the Mariners Blue Dolphin. Ayan, 9 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Now, our players are back at the hard court for our second quarter ball possession of the Mariners Blue Dolphins here.
Let's see kung makakahabol na ba dito ang Blue Dolphins or makukuha nila ang kalamangan sa ating second quarter, or will the USI Falcons patuloy na mag-aarangkada para sa ating laro. Now jersey number 7 on the side of Blue Dolphins, choosing jersey number 11, tries for that, no good.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons here. Now, jersey number 4, Noga. Looking here for a good pass and a good opportunity. Now, drives to the inside and the whistle here. Foul by jersey number 7. Same ball possession for the USI Falcons. Humigpit dito yung depensa ng ating Blue Dolphins. Hindi basta-basta nakakapasok itong USI Falcons sa kanilang front court. Now, jersey number 25 passes to Noga. And a block! What a block by jersey number 17 of the Blue Dolphins. Now, napakatangkad naman doon ni jersey number 17.
And chance here for the Blue Dolphins to score. But a whistle coming from our referee. 2 shots ang ibibigay dito on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Chavez stepping on that free throw line para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, mag-shoutout tayo dito sa ating Facebook Live viewers. We have Mark Christian Chavez, Carlos Zaldua, Daniel Zamora, Joy Doloso, and John Narvaez. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay at pagtutok dito sa ating Facebook Live coverage. Now, humingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si IZ. Hi IZ, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of the game, and the Blue Dolphins are off to a rough start. However, Coach Tan said that kayang-kaya naman ng team bumawi. They just have to strengthen their defense. And he also added na the team should stay composed and follow the proper execution of the game. That's it for the side of the MBCF Blue Dolphins. Kaya naman, tumutok lamang sa ating live via Bukal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, IC, for that update. Para naman sa side ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, ayan, kailangan talaga dito paigtingin yung kanilang depensa dito sa ating second quarter para naman maiwasan yung mga puntos dito or yung pagpukol dito ng mga shot, yung mga attempts dito ng USI Falcons. Yan ay galing sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ayan ay galing sa kanilang coach na si Coach Tan. Now, ball possession of them. A steal here by the USI Falcons. And ngayon, humingi tayo ng update sa kanilang side. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, Rick and Jasper, first quarter is really something dahil gitgita ng laban ng dalawang kupunan. This quarter, the Falcons want to prove that they are soaring back. Kailangan lang nilang mas maging focus for their proper execution. During the huddle, Coach Tupe remind the players to be physical para maiwasan ng ilang turnovers. Nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro at kailangan lang nilang magkumalma at i-relax ang utak sa loob ng hardcourt. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo.
And thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, USI Falcons, there's no room for complacency on their side according to Coach Tepe, maging physical inside the court para maiwasan dito ang turnovers. And let's see kung ayan ba ay gagawin ng kanyang players. And as we can see on our scoreboard, abante pa rin dito ang kanyang kupunan. Now, ball possession ng ating Blue Dolphins.
11 points lead ngayon ang hawak ng ating USI Falcons. Well, that is not too big for this Blue Dolphins since they can do well dito sa ating hardcourt. Now, let's see here. Dito sa papakita nilang aksyon. Now, jersey number 7. Looking for a good pass here. Now, Chavez. Bantay sarado and a steal here by jersey number 3.
Acebor on that steal. Back-to-back steal for both teams.
Yan, ball possession na ngayon ng Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 28 on that corner, Razon. Jersey number 11 tries for that fadeaway shot. No good. No good on that second attempt.
Now,
Now,
Rosario with that rebound.
USI Falcons. Jersey number 12. On the inside, jersey number 6. Corner shot, 3-point shot. That's good for the USA Falcons. Napakagandang corner shot. Well, they are taking advantage dito sa ating corner for that 3 points. Napapadalas yung 3 points nila dito.
Courtesy of Daloso on that last play now. Chance for the Mariners Blue Dolphins here para madagdagan ang kanilang puntos.
Now,
7 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Chavez will try. No good.
ball possession of the USI Falcons out of bounds by the Blue Dolphins. 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 14 points lead of the USI Falcons.
Daloso to inbound para dito sa Falcons. Passing the ball to Acebor. Itatawid ng bola para sa kanilang kupunan. Acebor heavily guarded here by the players of this Blue Dolphins. Noga to Daloso. Fires for that 3 again. No good this time. But an offensive rebound on the side of Falcons. Acebor taking his time and looking for his teammate. Pero dire-diretso. Daloso to Noga. 3 seconds to shoot. And the ball will remain on the side of the USA Falcons.
1 second remaining sa kanilang shot clock doon sa sequence na yon. Pero tumawag na dito ng timeout si Coach Tope for his team. Now let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa 6 minute and 53 seconds na natitira sa ating game clock. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami.
We are back sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng match-up between USA Falcons and Mariners Blue Dolphins.
No good on that attempt dahil 1 second remaining na lang sa kanilang shot clock itong USA Falcons. Now, Blue Dolphins, Merenciano passes to now jersey number 11 goes to the inside. No good on that layup. Now, offensive rebound by jersey number 1 and that's good for that second chance point. 2 points for the Blue Dolphins.
Yes, now USA Falcons on the offense right now. Daloso passing the ball to 4 pero the ball will remain on their side. Out of bounds ball para doon sa last sequence na yun. Now Del Rosario may hawak ng bola. Choosing Noga this time. 10 seconds to shoot. Daloso on the other corner. No good.
Now, defensive rebound by Razon. Ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. Now, 6 minutes and 9 seconds remaining on that mid-range jumper. No good for that shot by the Blue Dolphins. Now, Acebor nagmamadali. Passes to jersey number 20. Now, Acebor. Now, 4, napakagandang team coordination doon. Well, they secured their shot with a point here. And yun na nga, 3 points play opportunity for 4. Basket count plus bonus shot here. Napakagandang coordination ang pinapakita sa atin ng USI Falcons dito sa kanilang front court.
Now 4. Chance to add his points para dito sa ating Falcons pero no good. Chance for the Blue Dolphin here to score. Kailangan nila nang makuha ng magandang offense right now.
Now
5
Blue
minutes
Dolphins.
and 43 seconds remaining and still coming from Doloso. And what a great layup coming from Acebor. Again, the communication and chemistry of this USI Falcons team talagang kitang-kita para dito sa ating second quarter match.
Now Merenciano on the 3-point shot attempt. That's good for the Blue Dolphins. Maagang bawi naman to ng ating Blue Dolphins dito doon sa back-to-back points na hinatid sa atin ng USI Falcons. Now, jersey number 22, nagmamadali pa rin. No good on that attempt. Now, Merenciano again. Now, back pass to Razon. And that's good for 2 points. Napakagandang back-to-back points naman ng ating Blue Dolphins dito. Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Now,
Noga looking for his teammate para dito sa USI Falcons. 4 will try and 4 will score. Again, USI Falcons, kahit nagkakaroon dito ng bawi ang MPCF Blue Dolphins, talagang hindi nila hinahayaang masaya ang kanilang ball possession. Now Razon, bantay sarado dito ni Noga.
Malaluan, passes na Merenciano. Now, on the outside, 8 seconds to shoot. Now, Olayon with that shooting foul from jersey number 6 of the USI Falcons. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Olayon for the Blue Dolphins. Good opportunity for them na bawasan na yung kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons. Well, the USI Falcons still holding a 13 points lead dito sa ating second quarter. 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating game clock.
Clean basket para dito sa Blue Dolphins. 12-point lead ang hawak ng USI Falcons na ibaba na nga dito sa 11. Ang kailangang habulin ng kanilang kupunan. Now USI Falcons on the offense. Acebor itatawid ang bola. Passing the ball to Doloso.
No good on that steal attempt by Olayon. Pero yun, nakuha dito ng bola ni jersey number 11. Olayon pa rin ang nakaagaw pero still here by the Falcons. Now, nagmamadali libreng-libre. Jersey number 22 of the USI Falcons. That's good for 2 points. Easy layup, libreng-libre. Now, jersey number 28 here. And natapik dito ni Doloso yung bola out of bounds. Same ball possession for the Blue Dolphins. Substitutions here. Jersey number 10, Posada, checked in for this second quarter. Now, Malaluan to inbound. Merenciano. No good on that 3 points attempt.
Now
Now,
Posada passing the ball to Del Rosario. What an assist and what a point conversion coming from the Falcons here.
napakagandang pasok yun ni Posada. Well, kakapasok niya pa lang pero agad may assist na agad siya doon. Now, jersey
Another
number
steal.
11. Jersey number 3 to Posada. That's good for
Grabe.
2 points. Nako, matunog na naman na Rick yung pangalan dito ni Posada sa kanyang pagbabalik dito sa atin. Ayan. Again,
Back-to-back steal.
another steal here.
Now, Acebor. What a great 3 points coming from Acebor. And that 3 points it brought to us by Converge ICT Solution. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng MPCF Blue Dolphins with a remaining time of 3 minutes. Magbabalik po kami.
Well, tingnan muna natin dito, Rick, yung replay. You see here, jersey number 3 on the 3-point attempt. Napakalayo, long 3-point shot, and that's good for the USI Falcons. Napakagandang back-to-back points. we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter. 20 points lead ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 11 to Corporal. Now, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Now, no good on that attempt, pero may whistle tayo dito. 2 free throws for the Blue Dolphins. 2 shots for Corporal standing on the free throw line.
They need this one, but unfortunately, Corporal missed a shot para doon sa kanyang unang attempt. Maganda naman ang pinapakita dito ng Blue Dolphins, but on the side of the USI Falcons, talagang napakabilis ng kanilang play. Fast play ang ginagawa dito, that's why nahihirapang makasabay ang Blue Dolphins. Now Razon, no good on that attempt, and another rebound coming from the USI Falcons, and Burse with that layup. Walang kahirap-hirap para dito sa Falcons.
Libreng-libre. 22 points lead of the USI Falcons. Now, let's see here. Naag on the inside now. Jersey number 11. No good on that 3 points attempt. Out of bounds as the Blue Dolphins will take the ball possession here. Well, magandang opportunity dito, Rick, yung free throws for the Blue Dolphins
Yes.
to cut out the lead of the USI Falcons. Now, the Yokson out of bounds here as the USI Falcons will take the ball possession. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
Now, Falcons with the ball possession. Nagal looking for his teammate. Ibibigay dito kay Posada with the hot hands on the side of Falcons. Nagal fires for that one. No good. The ball will remain on the side of the Falcons.
Now, 12 seconds on their shot clock. Jersey number 5 to inbound. Now, Posada for that 3. No good. And offensive rebound here by Burse. Now, Posada again. No good on that second 3-point attempt. Now, nagmamadali dito. Corporal with the whistle here. No good on that attempt. Pero may kasabay ulit na whistle dito ang ating Blue Dolphins. Another 2 free throws for Corporal. Yun na nga, if they did this free throws, this is a big opportunity for them to lessen the lead of the Falcons. Kayang-kaya nila ito. Well, may natitira pa tayong 2 quarters, our third and the fourth quarter. Let's see if ano yung gagawin ng Blue Dolphins para ma-cut out yung lead ng USI Falcons.
Yan ang dapat nating abangan on the side of Blue Dolphins. And a clean basket for that second attempt. So 1 point added on their side. Now USI Falcons. The ball will remain on their side.
Nasundot doon ni Panis yung bola eh. Nakalabas na yung bola out of bounds. Now, USI Falcons ball possession here. Jersey number 18 on that 3-point attempt. No good.
Lock with that offensive rebound.
Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. Corporal on that 3-point attempt. And that's good for Corporal. Magandang bawi yon for the Blue Dolphins. 3-point shot.
They
Now,
need that 3 points. The ball will remain on the side of the Falcons. Kailangan lang ditong bawasan ang turnover on the side of Blue Dolphins and ang crucial foul na nakukommit ng kanilang players. Now, lock to inbound para dito sa USI Falcons. 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining para sa ating first half.
we are now on the penalty situation, Rick, with these both teams. Blue Dolphins and USA Falcons now. 17 seconds to shoot here. Now, Posada again. Now 18, jersey number 18, still here by the Blue Dolphins. Good opportunity for them. Corporal nagmamadali. No good on that attempt. Sayang ng opportunity na yon. Fast break opportunity. Now,
Lock passing the ball to Baita, but a traveling violation was called on Baita. Back-to-back missed opportunity for both teams. Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout si Coach Tope para dito sa ating laro kasi nakikita niyang paunti-unti nagkakaroon dito ng momentum ang side ng Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, Rick, traveling is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours. Ayan, titingnan natin kung paano, well, as we can see kasi, yung Blue Dolphins ay nagkukumit na ng back-to-back points here. Hatid sa atin ni Corporal, courtesy of Corporal on the Blue Dolphins. Now, let's see kung paano titigilin or paano ititigil ng ating USI Falcons dito yung momentum or yung back-to-back points ng Blue Dolphins. Now, let's see, 36 seconds, 36.74 na lang ang natitira dito sa ating game clock, dito sa ating first half. Ayan.
Back to the ball game tayo dito, Jasper. And the ball possession ay mapupunta dito sa ating USA Falcons. Lock to inbound.
Well, the Blue Dolphins cut off the lead of the USI Falcons to 18 from 22 points.
So it's Blue Dolphins ball possession.
Now, good opportunity for them.
Great
A steal.
steal coming from Locke. Now Burse, derecho. 2 shots for Burse on that last attempt para dito sa USI Falcons.
Well, sinabayan siya doon ni jersey number 17 kaya medyo nagkaroon tayo doon ng tapik and that's a shooting foul for Burse. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito sa kanya. Well, let's see if he can raise their lead. USI Falcons. No good on that first attempt.
26 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half and still the lead is on the side of the USA Falcons, 35-53. So baliktaran para sa ating scoreboard.
That's good for that second attempt. Now, Panis to inbound. Ball possession of the Blue Dolphins here. Now, Corporal. A steal here by the Falcons. Lock, libreng-libre, no good. And a follow-up shot by Posada na naman by the USA Falcons. Napakagandang second chance for the USA Falcons. Now, Corporal, 6 seconds to shoot and out of bounds as the USI Falcons will take the ball possession dito sa ating last 5 seconds remaining. Now, titingnan natin kung last ball possession na ba ito dito sa ating first half. Now, Baita. A steal here by the Blue Dolphins. No good on that buzzer beater shot. Yun na nga, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating first half, 35-56 in favor of the USI Falcons. Dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating ball game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
We are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating pagpapatuloy ng second half now. No good on that attempt by jersey number 3 of the USI Falcons. Well, lamang po sila dito sa ating ball game. 19 points ang kanilang kalamangan dito.
Now, what would be the adjustment here ng Blue Dolphins sa ating pangalawang half ng laro? Asibor, nagmamadali. Basket count. Basket count, samahan pa dito ng foul para sa USI Falcons courtesy of Asibor. 21 big points ang kalamangan dito ng kanilang kupunan.
Well, nadagdagan ngayon ng 2 points dun sa kanilang basket count with 3 points play opportunity here for Asibor. 23 big points ang hawak dito ng USI Falcons now. 3 points play opportunity for Asibor of the USI Falcons. No good. Now, Blue Dolphins.
Blue Dolphins, kailangan na nila dito i-double ang kanilang effort. Razon choosing Chavez. And to hear an update sa side ng USI Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the half time of the game. This time, kailangan lang nilang ipagpatuloy ang puntos na kanilang pinaghihirapan. Huwag lang silang mawala sa momentum. And they have to work as a team. As their goal is to bounce back stronger. Proper communication lang sa loob ng hard court para mapanatili ang kalamangan. Don't hesitate to shoot the ball. Ika nga ni Coach. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update on the side of the USI Falcons. Well, hindi pa rin sila pwedeng magpakampante dito sa ating ball game. Well, 22 big points for the Falcons. Well, kayang-kaya pa to ng ating Mariners Blue Dolphins. Now, they need to work as a team. Ika nga ni Coach Tope of the Falcons. because their goal here is to bounce back stronger dito sa ating liga. And of course, no hesitation on shooting the ball now. We have here an update from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Icy. Icy, what's your update?
Rick and Jasper, the first half has been an intense battle with both teams showing off some solid defensive strategies. MPCF Blue Dolphins have been sticking to a tight man-to-man defense, keeping their opponents from getting wide-open shots, and Coach Stan said that the team should execute the half-court 2-2-1 defense. He also added that the team shouldn't find the score but focus on their executions. The Dolphins did struggle a bit at first, but they're eager to make bawi. They adjusted and started moving the ball more effectively to break through the zone. Yan lamang sa side ng Dolphins. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Icy, for that update on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Well, advice nga sa kanilang coach na they need to do the man-to-man defense here. And of course, the zone defense, 2-2-1 defense. And kita naman natin na nag-struggle itong Blue Dolphins dun sa ating first half. Well, they have the ability to retrieve the points na kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons. They just need to do their game plan, to execute their game plan very well here. Now, as we can see here, good block by Malaluan. No good on that attempt by the Falcons. Back-to-back steal here. Now, Posada goes to the inside. Now, jersey number 6, no good on that attempt. Now, napakaraming chance na doon ng nakuha ng USI Falcons. Well, hindi sila doon nagpatinag sa ating Blue Dolphins. They got that for 2 points. Now,
Blue Dolphins on the offense. And a whistle coming from our referee here.
8 seconds violation ang itinawag dito for Malaluan of the Blue Dolphins. Good opportunity for the USI Falcons to make their lead, to raise their lead here. Now, Posada. Well, kailangan nilang bantayan si Posada dahil kanina pa ito nagpapakawala ng punto sa ating first half. Now, Doloso. Posada on the corner. Doloso for that 3. No good. Now, steal here by jersey number 3. Rather, Posada again. No good on that attempt. Third chance for the Falcons. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 25, Del Rosario of the USI Falcons. Napatawag na nga dito ng timeout ang Mariners Blue Dolphins.
So ano kaya dito ang gagawin ng Mariners Blue Dolphins when it comes to the adjustment and game plan? Because again, USA Falcons is on the run dito sa ating second half, 65-35 on our scoreboard with the remaining time of 6 minutes and 52 seconds. So far, so good para dito sa players ni Coach Tope, and I would like to commend the effort of Posada. Talagang stepping big time dito sa ating laro. As usual, on the previous match, kitang-kita naman kung paano maglaro itong si Posada na dapat niyang bantayan dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. So Blue Dolphins, they need to double their effort right now.
Well, napapatamaan kasi nitong USI Falcons yung kanilang opportunities, yung kanilang second, third, fourth chance dito sa kanilang front court na they are taking advantage of their chances, their opportunities here. Now, let's see kung anong gagawing bawi ng Blue Dolphins. Malaluan with the ball, their captain ball. Now, Malaluan.
Heavily guarded here. And a great steal coming from Asibor. Kanina pa ito si Asibor nakakakuha ng magandang steal para dito sa side ng Falcons.
Well, yun na nga, Rick, isa din yung nag-keep ng kanilang momentum dito sa ating ball game is yung chemistry nila and yung kanilang team coordination dito. Napakagandang coordination ang ginagawa dito ng USI Falcons. And 5 seconds violation ang itinawag kay jersey number 22. Turnover here for the Blue Dolphins. 30 points ang hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Big margin.
Now, Blue Dolphins, kailangan nila talaga ditong makapuntos, but unfortunately, another beautiful steal coming from the Falcons. Back-to-back steal. The ball will remain on the side of this Blue Dolphins. Foul was called on Doloso para sa last sequence na yon.
Ball possession of the Blue Dolphins here. Oh my my God!
Dahil talaga ako makakauling upang pubakla ko.
Liwanag sa dingding mo,
Hirang magsinding.
liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Sigaw mo.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Here at the NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating laro. Well, walang kinikilingan ang ating bukal Season 6. Nagkaroon lang doon ng burnout pero patuloy pa rin tayo sa bakbakan ng USI Falcons and of course the Mariners Blue Dolphins, the battle of undefeated. 30 points po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons. Power interruption rather. Well, hindi doon nagpatinag ang ating team. Patuloy pa rin tayo dito sa ating bakbakan ng mga walang talo. Now, let's see. on that 3 points attempt. Napakagandang 3 points by jersey number 3. Napakalayo noon. Long 3.
Yes. Asibor on that long 3 points para dito sa USA Falcons. Kanina pa itong USA Falcons nagpapaulan ng 3 and a great steal again coming from the same person. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Now jersey number 17, Taghoy, needs to score. But Doloso on that steal, back-to-back steal para sa dalawang kupunan.
Now, ball possession pa rin dito ng Falcons. Doloso. That's good for 3 points. Back-to-back 3 points naman ang pinapakita dito ng USA Falcons. Magandang napakaagang bawi sa 2 points na binigay ng Blue Dolphins.
That's why lumobo na dito ang Kalamangan na hawak ng kanilang kupunan. But jersey number 11, Razon, makakakuha ng 2 points. Samahan pa ng foul on that last play. No chance for him para madagdagan pa dito ang score ng kanilang kupunan kasi again, medyo lumolobo na nga ang hawak na Kalamangan ng Falcons and we are on our third quarter.
Now, no good on that attempt by the Blue Dolphins. Now, Asibor on the outside. Now, Doloso with the whistle here. Jersey number 30 on that pushing foul. Well, that is not Asibor, Rick. That is Del Rosario, rather, of the Falcons.
Now, Doloso to inbound para dito sa USA Falcons. Asibor magtatrelet for that 3-point attempt. No good. But this time, great play coming from the Falcons. Pero wasted opportunity on their side. Now, chance for the Blue Dolphins to score.
Gumanti din ng 3-point attempt pero no good on that attempt. Now there's a whistle here, Rick. Let's see. Jersey number 25. Technical foul. You can see here a technical foul for the Falcons. Jersey number 25. Well, as we can see, nagkaroon doon ng girian yung ating players. Jersey number 25 and Merenciano. Jersey number 28 from the Blue Dolphins. Let's see here sa ating replay. Jersey number 17 on that good shot.
So then, let's wait on the decisions of our officials here. Ano ba ang magiging desisyon dito sa ating laro? Now, both teams on their side. It's time for their huddle para at least loosen up para dito sa ating laro. 4 minutes and 16 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter.
Now, Rick, syempre, i-shoutout naman natin yung ating live viewers dito sa ating Facebook page dahil kahit nagkaroon tayo ng power interruption, well, hindi pa rin sila tumigil sa pagtutok dito sa ating live coverage. We have here Casey Anchoquia, Yu Abante, Ernest Paul, Guides Melia, Jelay Antones. Let's see first the replay here. Jersey, Merenciano here. Now, we can see here a technical foul. And we can see here na magkakaroon ng 3 free throws si Merenciano dahil doon na sa foul na yon na itinawag ng ating referee doon sa sequence na iyon. And that's good for that first attempt by Merenciano. Good opportunity here. 3 points play opportunity for the Blue Dolphins para naman mabawasan yung kalamangan dito ng USA Falcons. Now, that's good for his second attempt. Last attempt, last free throw for Merenciano. Siyempre, shoutout din natin yung King Olympians dyan. Assistant Coach, King Arvin Sardinio. Happy viewing po. Couple of substitutions here, Rick.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Blue Dolphins. Merenciano fires for that 3, no good. Pero
No.
offensive rebound on the side of this Blue Dolphins and another whistle foul coming from our officials here.
Jersey number 4 on that pushing foul. And 2 free throws na naman for the Blue Dolphins. Well, 5 points play opportunity dito for the Blue Dolphins dahil back-to-back points or a back-to-back free throw for them. 3 free throws for Merenciano and 2 free throws naman ngayon for Malaluan. Well, no good on that first attempt. Pero let's see here sa kanyang second attempt. Now, and that's good for that second attempt of Malaluan. 42-71. Now,
USA Falcons.
mid-range jumper, no good. And defensive rebound by Merenciano of the Blue Dolphins here. Now, loses the ball pero nakuha yun ni jersey number 1. Now, 12 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 1, Olayon on that 3-point shot and that's good. Back-to-back points of the Blue Dolphins here. Well, magandang action, magandang performance, magandang bawi para sa kanilang team.
But a wasted opportunity para dito kay Baita.
That is not counted, Rick, dahil meron siya doon traveling violation. Well, traveling is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan, live your dreams, create memories. Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins here. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Now, Olayon, no good on that attempt. Pero nakuha yun ni Olayon again. No good on that second chance. Well, mainit na yung laban natin na Rick dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Naag on that corner. No good. And there's a whistle here. 2 free throws for jersey number 11. Shooting foul by jersey number 11.
Nagal. Kailangan itong makuha ni Nagal ang kanyang free throw opportunity para at least mahirapan na ditong makahabol ang ating Blue Dolphins. 3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. No good on that first attempt.
26 points lead by the USA Falcons. No good on that second attempt. Now, Merenciano nagtawid ng bola for the Blue Dolphins. On the outside, fires for that 3. No good. And the defensive rebound. A steal by Merenciano here. Looking for a good pass. Taking their time here. Now, Merenciano. 14 seconds to shoot. Now, goes to the inside with that traveling violation again. Sayang yung opportunity doon. Well, hatid sa atin yan ng Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
No substitution on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Nahihirapan na dito magkaroon ng opensa ang Blue Dolphins. But let's see with this one and right on cue.
No good
ng bola but still on the side of the USA Falcons.
Nagmamadali Noga. No good on that shot. Now, jersey number 1, Olayon. Nagmamadali rin. And that's good. Napakagandang layup doon. 2 hands layup by Olayon. Tatlo yung bantay niya doon pero hindi siya nag-alinlangan na ipasok yung bola.
Yan ang kailangan ngayon dito ng Blue Dolphins because they are behind. But a missed opportunity again on the side of the USA Falcons.
Now, as we can see
for
here,
the Blue Dolphins to score.
As we can see here, Rick, 71 points pa rin yung ating USA Falcons. Medyo nahihirapan silang pumuntos dito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating ballgame. Well, Malaluan, no good on that spin. Now, Noga, nagmamadali. And the whistle. Ball possession of the USA Falcons. Same ball possession here.
19 seconds to shoot para dito sa Falcons. But the ball will remain on their side. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Now USA Falcons, Baita.
No good on that attempt now. Olayon for the Blue Dolphins now. Merenciano on the outside, fires for the 3. No good on that attempt now. Malaluan for that follow-up shot, and that's good for 2 points. Napakagandang team coordination of the Blue Dolphins here. Well, hindi nila pinapapuntos yung ating USA Falcons dito sa aksyon. Pero yun na nga, nakapuntos na doon si jersey number 11 of the Falcons. Now,
another turnover are still on the side of this Blue Dolphins, and a great point conversion para dito kay Burse on the side of Falcons. Again, 76-49. Malayo-layo pa ang dapat habulin dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. And turnover again for their team.
Panes checked in for the Blue Dolphins, and also Merenciano back for the Blue Dolphins. Chavez also checked in for the Blue Dolphins. Now Noga to inbound. Now jersey number 11 here, well guarded by Chavez. Now steal by the Blue Dolphins here. Napakagandang fast break by jersey number 11 of the Blue Dolphins. 2 points on that.
Noga. Too strong on that pass, so the ball will go on the side of the Blue Dolphins. So rather the ball will stay on the side of the USA Falcons.
Same ball possession dito dahil natapik doon ng player ng Blue Dolphins yung bola. And that's good for the 3 points ng Falcons. Napakagandang back-to-back 3 points naman ang pinapakita sa atin ng Falcons. Well, kaya naman pala hindi sila pumupuntos kanina dahil yun yung iniintay nilang magandang buwelo, magandang open shot, their 3-point shot, and no good on that attempt. We still have 22 milliseconds sa ating game clock. Last ball possession for the Blue Dolphins. And yun na nga, Rick, doon na nagtatapos ang ating third quarter, 51-79 in favor of the USI Falcons. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon. We are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa ating pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth and last quarter. The battle of the undefeated Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the USI Falcons. Now, 3-point attempt by Duloso, and that's good. Napakagandang pagbubukas ng ating fourth and last quarter. Pinakita na agad tayo doon ni Duloso ng 3 points.
Magandang bawi naman on the side of the Blue Dolphins. No room for turnovers para dito sa Blue Dolphins. And right on cue, turnover naman on the side of USA Falcons. That's why chance to score para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins.
Well, napalakas doon yung pasa and hindi doon nakita nung pinasahan dito sa Falcons yung bola, kaya naman lumabas and turnover for the Blue Dolphins. Pero no good on that attempt. Ball possession na ngayon ng USI Falcons. Ngayon naman, humingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. Hi IC, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Jasper, we're off to the last quarter between the USI Falcons and MPCF Blue Dolphins. Makikita nga natin that despite sa malaking lamang ng opposing team, hindi pa rin tumitigil mag-push forward ang Blue Dolphins to execute their game. It's actually very inspiring when the team said na they have to help each other no matter what score they have, at lalong-lalo na ang kanilang team captain. And lastly, sabi ni Coach Tan, this will be their last push and this game ka naman, they have to give everything for this matchup. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much IC for that update. Ayun na nga, at narinig natin, last push na ito for the Blue Dolphins. And maganda rin yung words of motivation doon ng kanilang coach na they need to push forward so that they can execute very well their game plan and of course help each other and work as a team. Ayan. Humingi naman tayo ngayon ng update sa side ng USI Falcons. Nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the last quarter of the game. So this is their last push to establish a strong defense para sa kanilang ini-aim na panalo. Last reminder lang ni Coach sa kanila na huwag magmadali kahit nakakalamang sila. Know how to communicate. Ika nga ni Coach, yan muna ang quick update dito sa side ng Falcons. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. Ang tanging paalala dito ni Coach to pair on their player is the great communication, because great communication leads to a better execution inside the court. So yan ang aabangan natin dito sa USI Falcons if they want to close this match with a bang. Now, back to the ball game.
Well, kailangan nga nila dito, Rick, na ibigay yung kanilang all-out since this is the last chance for them, their last opportunity to push and to give their all-out dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Now, Asibor for the Falcons ngayon. Passes to jersey number 10, Posada. And no good on the 3 points attempt. Now, defensive rebound of Panis for the Blue Dolphins.
Chance for the Blue Dolphins here to score. Razon to Corporal. Taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Dolphins. But out of bounds ball para dito sa ating Blue Dolphins. So, turnover for them, USI Falcons on the offense right now.
A steal here by jersey number 11 of the Blue Dolphins. Now, Corporal on the outside. No good on that 3-point attempt. Napalakas dun yung kanyang tira. Now, Lock. 3 points din ang pinakita. And that's good for that attempt. Yun ang magandang ganti doon ng Falcons.
Grabe, ang lamang na hawak ngayon ng USI Falcons. Again, hindi natin makikita on the side of Falcons ang complacency because kailangan talaga nila dito magkaroon ng magandang panapos if they want this match. Now, out of bounds ball again. Back-to-back turnovers for this Mariners Blue Dolphins na kailangan nilang iwasan if they want to chase the lead here na hawak ng ating USI Falcons.
Now, Malaluan and Taghoy checked in for the Blue Dolphins. Let's see here. 34 points lead of the USI Falcons on the 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining on our game clock. No good on that 3-point attempt by Lock of the Falcons. Now, substitutions here. Taghoy checked in for the Blue Dolphins.
USI Falcons, Asibor tries for that long three, no good.
Now, defensive rebound of the Blue Dolphins here. Corporal ang nagdadala ngayon ng bola. Now, dancing with jersey number 13. And
10 seconds to shoot. In and out ball para dito sa Blue Dolphins. Agawan ng bola on this court, but a good point conversion para dito kay Corporal.
That is their second chance. Second chance for the Blue Dolphins. Pero yan, another chance for them. Panes on that rebound. On that steal rather. No good. Talagang pinilit doon ng Blue Dolphins na ipasok yung kanilang bola doon dahil sayang ng kanilang opportunity, lalo na yung kanilang second chance. And a traveling violation here by the Falcons as the Blue Dolphins will take the ball possession. Corporal to inbound. 5 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Well, lamang pa rin po ang USI Falcons with a big margin kontra dito sa ating Blue Dolphins.
Blue Dolphins tries for that 3. No good.
No good on that.
On that rebound para dito sa USI Falcons.
Now, Posada on the corner. Passes to Del Rosario. No good.
Great steal coming from Asibor. Kanina pa ito si Asibor. Ang gandang steal para dito sa ating laro.
Well, as we can see here, Rick, the USA Falcons is hungry for their second win dito sa ating bagong season, Bukal Season 6. Now, let's see if they will had their second win in the seniors division. No good on that first attempt. No good on that second attempt by the Blue Dolphins. Now, defensive rebound by jersey number 13, Locke. And nakuha yon ni jersey number 3. Now, Posada on the corner. No good on that 3 points attempt. Now, same ball possession. Nagal. Couple of substitution here. Jersey number 5, 18. Well, change of 5 pala dito ang ginawa ng ating USI Falcons. Lahat ng players sa loob ay pinalabasan. Pinaltan ito ng bagong 5 players din para tapusin. O titingnan natin kung silang tatapos ng ating fourth and last quarter. Now, Burse. 1 second to shoot here. And yun na nga, naubusan sila dito ng shot clock. Shot clock violation for the Falcons. Now,
chance for the Blue Dolphins to score. The remaining time of 4 minutes and 7 seconds para sa ating laro ngayong gabing ito. Now, Merenciano passing the ball to his teammate. Again, nahihirapan dito. When it comes to the offense, ang ating MPCF Blue Dolphins nakabaliktaran naman on the side of the USA Falcons na very successful when it comes to the shooting efficiency. Now, Merenciano fires for that 3, no good.
now rebound by Malaluan. Their second chance here. Tagoy. No good on that second chance attempt.
Now, Noga.
Well guarded here by Corporal. And yun na nga, sinigurado na dito yung bola ni Noga. Same ball possession for the USI Falcons. Well, let's see. Ayun na nga, at tinawagan dito ng shot clock violation. 8 seconds violation rather for the USI Falcons. Now, mapupunta po ang bola sa ating Blue Dolphins.
Jersey number 30 to inbound. Corporal taking his time and looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Corporal will try. No good. And
Now,
Locke with that rebound.
Locke looking for a good pass here. And ayun na nga, libreng-libre. Jersey number 5, no good on that 3 points attempt. Now, offensive rebound for jersey number 9, Baita, for their second chance here by the USA Falcons. Now, Burse, mid-range jumper, no good. Now, third chance for Burse. No good on that third chance. Ayun na nga, at nakuha na dito ni Merenciano yung bola. Now, nagmamadali Merenciano. No good on that, pero there's a whistle here. 2 free throws ang igagawad kay Merenciano. Good opportunity for the Blue Dolphins with that foul by jersey number 18. Ayun, Rick, shoutout tayo dito sa ating Facebook Live viewers. We have here Tevz Maki, Nico Mirabueno, Jean Real, Martha Latorre, Luis San Andres, Casey Anchoquia, Richard Abante, and we have here John Cris. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay at pagsuporta dito sa ating live coverage.
58-93 at dagdagan pa ng isa on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, Noga to inbound para dito sa Falcons. 2 minutes and 44 seconds remaining para sa ating laro. Now, Falcons again with a great connection and great point conversion courtesy of Burse.
Libreng-libre doon si Burse on that last sequence. Now, let's see here, Malaluan to Corporal on that 3 points. No good. Well, hindi na pumapasok Rick yung mga 3 points attempt dito ng Blue Dolphins. Well, let's see here kung ano yung magiging pandagdag momentum nitong Falcons. No good on that 3 points attempt by Noga. Now, nagmamadali. Corporal for that 2 points. Napakagandang puntos by Corporal. Well, may kasabay siya doon pero hindi siya nag-alinlangan. Ipapasok ko tong bola, sabi ni Corporal. And yun na nga yung ginawa niya doon.
Now, substitution on the side of this Blue Dolphins. Noga to inbound para sa USI Falcons. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining para sa ating laro. And still, Falcons having a big lead para dito sa ating laro.
Now, Noga inbounded the ball to Nagal. Now, jersey number 18 on the outside. Jersey number 4, Nagal on that corner shot. No good. 3 points attempt is not good for Nagal. Now, Taghoy, Noga rather, of the USA Falcons. And no good here for Taghoy. Pero may whistle doon. Shooting foul committed by jersey number 11 of the USA Falcons, Nagal. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Taghoy. Good opportunity for them to lessen the lead of the USA Falcons. No good on that first attempt. 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 61-95. 34 points lead of the USA Falcons. -1. 33 dahil pasok yung last free throw doon ni Merenciano. Jersey number 17 rather. Ayan, shoutout din natin dito si Maynard Josh Manaog na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Happy viewing.
Now, substitution on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 12 ipapasok dito on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Naag now. It's their ball possession right now.
Now, jersey number 1 to Chavez. Now, Malaluan on the outside. Goes to the inside. Jumper. No good.
Now, libreng-libre ulit para doon sa ating USI Falcons.
Nagmamadaling dagdagan ng 2 points ang kanilang kalamangan dito. Now,
another steal on their side. Burse again. Back-to-back points coming from the USI Falcons.
Well, all out
99-62 on our scoreboard, Jasper.
All-out play na for the USI Falcons here. Last minute of this ball game. And yun, Malaluan nakabawi agad ng 2 points. Now, let's see here. And traveling violation na nga ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 11. Ayan, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Back to the ball game. 35 seconds remaining. So yun nga, USI Falcons showing prowess inside this hard court and securing their second win para dito sa ating larong ito. Meanwhile, on the side of these MPCF Blue Dolphins, medyo nahirapan sila on this game, but I'm sure babawi ito sa susunod na mga matches ng kanilang kupunan. And kudos to Posada and the USI Falcon teams for giving us this night a bang. Now, that's the end of our game, 99-64 and our scoreboard. Magbabalik po kami to know our best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Brought to you by V Gallery and Museum Showcase artworks made by local artists and the history of NCF in Naga City. Of course, winning moment of our best player of the game, we have jersey number 22, John Michael Taloso with 21 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, and 4 steals. Congratulations once again, our best player of the game. Lahat kayo, kitang-kita naman kanina na nag-contribute para sa larong ito bilang playmaker. Can you express your feelings about observing your team na talagang nagtutulungan kayo?
Siyempre, ginawa lang talaga namin yung dapat. Tapos, nag-defense lang talaga kami. Tapos, yung offense, na lang yun. Parang libre na lang yun. Kumbaga, result yun sa defense namin.
And kwento mo naman kung paano ka naghanda para sa larong ito.
Siyempre, maaga natulog, nag-rehydrate, tapos nireview yung play, yung mga pagkakamali namin sa previous game. So, naganda talaga kasi still not satisfied pa rin kasi marami pang pagsubok.
Ayan, as the best player of the game, I am giving you the floor now para pasalamatan ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan.
Thank you kina Coach Tope, kay Bugoy, teammates ko, Noga, basta lahat sila. Tapos yung mga kaibigan ko, kuya ko, girlfriend ko syempre.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations. This has been Chen Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter, only here at Bucal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
At ayan nga, nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 22, John Michael De Losa, producing 21 points coming from 4 rebounds, 5 assists, and 4 steals. So kudos to the USI Falcons for winning their back-to-back win here sa ating Bucal Season 6. And also congrats to the MPCF Blue Dolphins for giving us a great night right now. So again, tutukan lamang natin ang mga natitira pang laro only here at Oragon Sports TV. And my name is Rick Huerta.
And ako po si Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at pagsubaybay dito sa ating last action ngayong araw. And of course, ito na yung last game this week. We'll see you on the next game of Bucal dahil we promise that we will continue to give you the top tier basketball action only here on Bucal Facebook page and the Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.